Jump in. I've got it so it's recording right now.
Okay. Say, come on, Granddaddy. Alright.
Swim to me. Come on.
Put your head in there and swim. Kick.
Good job. Good job. You did it, you good job. Alright, here. I want you to go get that stick for me. Can you go get that stick for me? Go get it. Let's go. Go. Oh, what you got? Oh, man. You want to get that stick for me? All right, go get it for me. Go, get it. What? You missed it. Well, you gonna go get it? Go get it.
Good job.
Oh, you go. What you doing? You ready to go get it? Let's go. Oh man, look at you.
Good job.
Let's go, both of us go down and get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You ready? Let's go. Who got it?
All right.
Oh, I got it now. Let's go swim after it. Put your head down and kick your feet. All right, take a breath. Go. Take a breath. All right, go get it. Good job.
Good job. Good job, Bubba.
Good job. You better not come out here and swim to me because I don't want you.
Walk.
I don't want you. Come on. Come on to me. Come on to me.
Good.
Good job. Where's that stick? Oh, I see. There it is. Go get it. You gonna get it? Oh, all right. Good job. What do you want to keep going down and get it for? All right, go. All right, hold on now. Don't drop it. What? You go get it. Yeah. All right, hold on. Oh, yeah, sure what a play on you are. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Come on, let's go. Whoa, wait a minute. Here, you want to stand on my shoulders? Are you ready? You ready? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Tell me, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Good job.
Well, you want to do it again? All right, go. What are you going to do? All right, well, go. Go.
Very good.
More. Let's swim to the stick. Let's go over and get the stick. Put your head down. What, you want to go more? All right, go. Go. Swim out there to the stick.
Good.
You ready to go get it? Go down and get it. Well, go get it. stop acting like that and we'll go home.
No.
Yes. What do you want to do? You want to swim to the steps? Go. Take a breath and go.
All right.
Good job.
Good job. You're the
Good job.
man.
Don't you swim out here to me either. You better not come out here. Don't you do it.
All right. Look how he's shaking his head like that in the water.
He just started.
I know.
Started doing it yesterday, I think. You better not swim out here. I don't want you. Don't you be swimming out here. What? What? Ready to go home? What? Why? Let's go home. Let's go get... Not your food.
Oh, he almost rolled over on his back. Yeah! Shoot. Good job. Ryder, can you float on your back? Let me see you float on your back. Why? Why?
Here, do this. Kick off. Kick off. What?
Stop.
You better stop that.